voice you're hearing, it's a part of me. Every word is weighted with sincerity, and these piano keys, the way they ring, is the sound of my heart in everything. I'm pouring out what I've kept inside, letting the rhythm be my guide. I don't know what's coming or what you'll say when you hear the truth I'm sending your way. Will you believe the words I speak in every note I'm giving you? This heart of mine, that I'm in love with a stranger I've never known, loved you since the moment your beauty was shown. It's a feeling so deep, it's a restless tide. I had to let it out, no more place to hide. To me you're the vision, you're the spark, the one who lights the path in the dark. You showed me a life so vivid and true, even though I've never even spoken to you. No past to lean on, no story to tell, no rhyme or reason why I fell. But will you trust the song I play from this moment and from the start? This melody will be my heart. That I'm in love with a stranger I've never known, loved you since the moment your beauty was shown. It's a feeling so deep, it's a restless tide. I had to let it out, no more place to hide. To me you're the vision, you're the spark, the one who lights the path in the dark. You showed me a life so vivid and true, even though I've never even spoken to you. I'm in love with a stranger, it's true. Since the very first second I looked at you, you're my inspiration, my everything.